After a long, tiring day, we all want is to sit and enjoy a good meal in front of the TV. There are many products available to choose TV trays, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best TV trays from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. TableMate Roman 2 Folding TV Tray Table. This TV tray has 18 kinds of designs in one. It has a thoughtful design with an open base which allows to stretch the legs without hitting the table. You can easily pull it to avoid reaching and bending. It is made with food-rated polypropylene. Even children can eat directly from the table. This TV tray helps to adjust the height from 21.75 to 29.15. It can withstand a weight of 40 pounds. It has a compact foldable design, means can be stored easily anywhere. It is durable enough for both indoors and outdoors. The best part, you do not require any tools to assemble the tray. The assembly is super easy, and the instructions guide is provided in the pack. Number 2. Amazon Basics Classic TV Dinner Rectangular Folding Tray Table. Amazon Basics 4-pack set. These trays come in a rich espresso finish and are perfect for dining or daily tasks at home. They're built to last, made from sturdy wood for reliable performance every day. Whether you're enjoying a meal in front of the TV or need a temporary workspace, these trays have got you covered. They're designed for convenience, easily unfolding into a stable setup when needed and folding flat for simple storage. With a spacious rectangular surface, they provide plenty of room for meals, laptops, or hobbies. Plus, the included storage rack keeps things tidy when the trays aren't in use, making it a smart space-saving solution for any home. Elevate your dining and leisure experiences with these classic TV dinner trays. Number 3. Adjustable TV Tray Table. This TV tray by Huinuo is perfect for regular use and can be used as a TV dinner tray, snack tray, workstation, and many more. The TV tray has 6 adjustable heights from 19 to 27, plus 3 different tilt positions which allow it to keep in both up angular position, down angular position, or straight position. The stabilizing metal rod at the bottom of the table allows it to maintain stability and prevents the table from falling at any case. There are additional features like a cup holder and low-profile legs. The easy assembly lets you fold the table and store it away easily. It is easy to set up when required. Moreover, it is lightweight and portable. Number 4. Casual Home 660/40 Tray Table Set. Casual Home 660/40, a carefully crafted 5-piece set that blends functionality with style. Made from sturdy wood and finished in a natural tone, these folding tables promise durability for years to come. Whether you need extra seating for guests or more workspace, these trays are up to the task with ease. With 4 folding TV tables and a matching storage stand, this set ensures neat storage and easy mobility. The simple yet elegant design of these tables fits well with any decor, and their light build and easy assembly make them hassle-free. Embrace the versatility of the Casual Home Tray Table Set whenever you need extra table space. Number 5. Linon Tray Table Set. Linon has brought to you a functional and fashionable TV tray. This TV tray packs superior quality with style that blends well with all kinds of decor. Made of solid engineered wood, it is sturdy and prevents falling or spillage, while faux marble on top enhances its aesthetic appeal. The pack comes with 4 tray tables and 1 stand. Each tray can withstand the weight of 20 pounds, making a total weight capacity of 80 pounds. The tables are easy to clean, and they are not a hoarder of dust. The trays can be folded and kept away when not in use. The foldable nature and handle make it easy to carry the trays. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.